Oh. 1 second. Okay. Hi. Hello. I'm in my car. I'm driving. It's nighttime, and so you can't see me very well. Just imagine my beautiful face in your minds. Let it envelop you. It is dinner time. Time for dinner. Dinner time. That's a horrible intro. Oh! I have moved the camera. I wasn't expecting it to fall like that. So, some of you may recall a video I did a while back called Lethal Company Nonsense or something like that. There's a little video I made. It just was some clips of me and some other friends of mine playing Lethal Company. And one of the people in that video is a Lucifer de Orleans. Hi, Lucy. How you doing? Lucy, that's Lucifer, Mr. Orleans. He and I, we're good friends, and but we disagree on something. We have a certain disagreement that I wouldn't say strains our friendship, but it most certainly tests us at times. In the same sense that I was going to make a joke out of this, but I can't. Basically, he and I have, on multiple times, discussed, sort of, which place is better, Popeye's, Louisiana Kitchen, or Chick-fil-A. I prefer Chick-fil-A, he prefers Popeye's. And other people in our, some of our other friends have joined in, they've weighed in with their opinions and whatnot. However, there's been a certain issue with this debate of ours, if you will. An issue that I am now going to rectify tonight. I have never actually eaten any food from Popeye's. And that sort of skews one's argument against or for something if you've never actually had it. So, I am going to Popeye's right now, and I'm going to order their spicy chicken sandwich. And the reason for that is my favorite item at Chick-fil-A is their spicy chicken sandwich. And I'm going to settle this once and for all, which is objectively better. Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. And it is objectively better. You can't stop me. I said it in the video, so now it's true, Lucy. You can't. I win. That is, if Popeyes isn't better. It could be. I've never had it. This is a part that I'll probably cut out or something. Or maybe I'll leave it in for comedic effect. I'm not really sure. To focus on driving. Where is the Popeyes? Oh, there it is. Give me some Louisiana chicken. Delicious Louisiana chicken. Can I turn in here? I think I can. Ah, there it is. I think. Can I get in from here? I hope so, because there's no other way to get in. Are they still open? Looks like they're still open. Good. According to Google Maps, Popeye stays open till 1, so it does have Chick-fil-A beat in terms of time. The only other chicken place that stays open till 1, like that does chicken, is Raising Cane's. At least where I live. I don't know if it's different other places. Festive family box. Ghost pepper. Ooh. That doesn't sound good at all. Oh, those are antlers. Alright, I'm ordering. Alright, can you give me 1 second? Alrighty. Do you guys have a spicy chicken sandwich? Can I get that? That'll be all. Thank you. I have kind of a baseline in mind. Right? My baseline is I've had spicy chicken sandwiches from a lot of different places, right? That's my go-to with fast food. I prefer chicken and I prefer spicy chicken sandwiches. First things first. The sandwich is cheaper. Was it $5.40? So it's $5.40. Chick-fil-A averages about $1 more for a sandwich. Last time I don't remember the exact price, but I think it was like $6 something after tax. One second, trying not to get hit by a car. There we go. Oh, there. I knew there was a car back there, I just didn't know where it was. It passed me, so it's good. That said, service, not as friendly as Chick-fil-A. In fact, I would argue that McDonald's has friendlier service. That's probably the least... That is probably the least friendly... Which, to be honest, it wasn't, like, bad. I'm not saying it's bad, right? It was very... just done. Just very direct, which I have been to other places that are like that, and I don't mind that. But it was interesting, partly because normally when you say, like, oh, thank you, or I don't know if I said have a good night, I really wasn't paying attention, but I'm pretty sure I said thank you. And it wasn't like a have a good night or anything like that, and it's like, alright, well, whatever. They might have nodded. I don't know. But, anyway, that's first impressions. And again, I'm comparing this to Jack in the Box, Wendy's, and Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is the top bar, right? And the sandwich is the main thing. To be honest, I don't care how friendly you are with your service, as long as you're quick and the food is good. And they did the quick part. They got that out quick. So that's good. I don't know if that means that it was just sitting there, but I mean that's McDonald's and most of the other places. So they're in terms of speed, they're on par with McDonald's and Jack in the Box and all the others. And that's good. McDonald's, I think, is going to be... Actually, McDonald's is better than... In terms of, like, taste and the experience, I would say McDonald's is better than Jack in the Box and Wendy's. In my personal opinion. Granted, I haven't had Jack in the Box or Wendy's in a while. I vaguely remember... I remember how they were, but, like, I don't know if anything's changed or if, you know, my own choice of... Because I haven't had a Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich for over, like, a year or two. And the last time I had one from Jack in the Box was at least, like, 6 months. So... And that's a skewed thing there. But I remember the general experience of both sandwiches. I remember the texture. You know, the taste is just chicken, spice, lettuce, and bread, basically. So, it's not a hard thing to remember. I might stop at another location just in case this is gross. Which I hope it isn't, right? I would say... I think I preferred Jack in the Box over... The last time I had it, I remember thinking I preferred Jack in the Box over Wendy's. So we're going to say that the tiers are Wendy's, Jack in the Box, McDonald's, and Chick-fil-A. And that's what they're going with. If it's not better than Wendy's, it's bad. I'm sorry. At the very least, I don't like it. But if it's at least as good as Wendy's, then it's decent. If it's as good as Jack in the Box, it is, I would say, a satisfactory sandwich. Right, Wendy's is adequate. Jack in the Box is satisfactory. McDonald's is like, we'll say, the standard, right? And then Chick-fil-A is just great. Chick-fil-A's fantastic. So I'm going to stop at Taco Bell and get something as well. If I end up eating...
Hi, are you checking in with the app to earn reward points today?
No, not today.
What can I get started for you?
Can I get a beefy 5-layer burrito?
Okay.
And that'll be all.
Any mild Popeye Diablo?
No, thank you.
Alright, this is the beefy 5 layers. Did you want to run the 15 today?
No, not today.
Alright, 542, so let's just thank you.
Thank you. So, we're going to do kind of a special thing. If I like this sandwich more than I like the beefy 5-layer burrito, then I will say that it is as good as a Chick-fil-A. Even if I don't think it's as good as a Chick-fil-A sandwich, if I prefer it over this beefy 5-layer burrito, I will say that it is on par with a Chick-fil-A sandwich in terms of quality. I will admit that. Because I like the beefy 5-layer burrito. I don't like it as much as a Chick-fil-A sandwich, but I do. It is my go-to when I go to Taco Bell. So I'm realizing that driving is really handy for recording videos because I tend to kind of just ramble. I don't have to look at the camera, so I'm not like... Whenever I deal with a camera, I kind of struggle a little bit because I get this sort of like... I almost get like stage fright. But since I'm driving, I can't really look at the camera that much, so I don't have to worry about looking at the camera. And so I can just kind of ramble to myself, and then I can make a video out of it. And that's pretty great. What are we at? Okay. Just looking at the recording time. I don't think you guys are going to hear this part either. You know what would be really unfortunate is if I just cut out everything. Right? I get the food and it just cuts to me in my house. I'm in my bedroom. Here's the Taco Bell. Here's the Popeyes. So since we're making a whole thing out of this, basically, I have decided to kind of do a little bit of a review of the whole experience. I have a Coca-Cola here. Uncaffeinated because caffeine messes with my brain late at night, and it's not good to have it late anyway. So looking at the Taco Bell bag first, we have quite a few napkins, and the food. That's it. In the Popeyes bag, we have quite a few napkins, actually. Okay. I do appreciate it when a place gives me napkins. And we have the food. This is what it looks like. In case you've never had Popeyes. This is it. Alrighty, so I've thrown the bags away. Take my glasses off because I'm kind of winding down for the evening. And we're gonna start with digging. Let me get the soda open real quick. Very good. Love a good Coke. table a little bit. We're gonna do this review bra style. I'll show you the food when I get it. Let's say my head hurts. Okay. Oh, that's a hefty boy. So, first impressions, let me show you the bun is, I would say, identical to the one used at Chick-fil-A. So that is a plus. I know I will like this bun. The chicken is massive. What? I'm sorry, what was that? I thought I saw something green. Oh no, I'm just blind. Yeah, the chicken looks pretty big. I'm guessing. I don't know where the spice comes from. I may have to go get some milk. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like there's some sort of spicy sauce on the top and bottom of the chicken, which is good. That means there's a decent amount of sauce here. It looks like it's sauced enough, I guess. The chicken itself isn't sauced, so yeah, that's just plain chicken. Which I'm a little disappointed by, because Chick-fil-A, the spice is on the breading of the chicken, so there's no risk of you not getting spice in every bite because it's all over. It's like baked into the chicken. But who knows? Maybe maybe it'll be okay. Crap. It's good. It's delicious. That's so good. I wasn't expecting this. Oh. So it's definitely better than Wendy's. It's so good. It's better than Chick-fil-A. No way. I'd get this over Chick-fil-A. This is good. This is really good. I actually like the sauce. The sauce adds something. I like using the sauce instead of... I like that. I like the chicken. The chicken's really good too. Chicken's very moist, very tender. Is that a pickle? I'll probably pick it out, I'll be honest. I'm not a really big fan of pickle, but it has pickles. So it has the same ingredients as Chick-fil-A. In terms of it's chicken, bun, and pickle. But You win, Lucy. This is better. This is a better sandwich. I think this is gonna be my go-to from now on. That's good. That's delicious. I'm gonna finish that after I finish this video. Yeah, so in the debate of whether Popeyes or Chick-fil-A is better, I did say that this was the definitive objective decision. Popeyes is objectively better than Chick-fil-A. Their spicy chicken sandwich is objectively better than Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. I would go back. I would definitely go back for this. It is, I think, $1 cheaper. There's more chicken here than on average. Not too much more, but there's a little bit more, partly because of just the freaking massive lump that was over here. I imagine on average the patty maybe is more even, I don't know. It seems like they just, I don't know, no, it's not a patty. It's just like straight up, like, I think they might have just taken a chicken breast, like a breaded chicken breast, and just put it in between buns. Dang. It's good. Same bun as Chick-fil-A, roughly. Maybe it's a little different, but it seems about the same. The chicken's just better. The chicken's juicier. It just is. It is more moist. And the sauce might help with that. I don't know, but like just on its own, I tasted the chicken on its own, and it's very moist, very juicy. I actually like the breading too. I enjoy that. Oh, that's so good. I think that's like a spicy mayo or something. And that is beautiful. It's a work of art. Dang. Well, now we know. The pickle slices are like that, it's like they sliced up an actual pickle. At Chick-fil-A, pickle slices are like super rinky dinky. I'm not going to this time just because I don't want to ruin this first experience. Right? This is new ground. Oh man, I like I inhale it or something. Ooh, that's spicy. That's good though. No, but the those are like that looks and feels like a pickle that was actually sliced, rather than at Chick-fil-A it feels like they just take like they get them pre-sliced, and they're much thinner. I like a thick pickle cut. That's good. Dang, this they nailed everything, man. Well, I should be more excited, but again, people are sleeping. It's very late in my house, and everyone's sleeping. But that's really good. I highly recommend it. It's cheap. The price is cheap. The food is not. The food is top quality. That's delicious. I will say though, I've looked into like Popeye. I've seen like reviews. Popeye seems to be very hit or miss with their quality. I don't know what that's about. I think it's dependent on location and possibly time of day as well, and just there's a lot of factors that I imagine play into it. But yeah, I recommend Popeyes over Chick-fil-A. I think. Again, you win, Lucy. I was wrong. I freely admit it. I was dead wrong. and boy am I glad, because this is great. As for the rest of you, I hope this is valuable information for you. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this now, and then I don't go about the rest of my night, because this is my dinner. This is what I am eating. So thanks for watching, and again, if you enjoyed, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and be sure to comment. Tell me, again, what is your favorite fast food place and why? And if you have a recommendation for a fast food place, or a chain restaurant or a local restaurant, don't do local, because there's a good chance I'll never be able to see it. But if there's a chain restaurant or a fast food chain or something like that you enjoy, and maybe you want to see me go there, please comment and let me know. Yeah, thank you for watching. My brain just completely spaced. Have a nice day. So I just finished eating the burrito from Taco Bell. And it doesn't really matter at this point, since we've already proven that Popeyes, the sandwich is already way better than Chick-fil-A. But I just wanted to add on that it is also leagues better than... I would absolutely pick the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes over the beefy 5-layer burrito from Taco Bell. So that's a double win. It is vastly superior to both Chick-fil-A and Taco Bell, and on all of it. It's really good. So yeah.